It really wakes you up.
Yeah, like you're tired, you hear the music, and you just move on. Like literally.
Yeah.
I just like every part of it. I want to be a singer when I grow up.
I like Songbirds because of the singing.
3 C's. Breathe in your 3 C's. Shake out your tiredness.
Eve is
the best chorus teacher.
is a very good friend to us.
Eve is the best music teacher.